Cyclonic storms, strong winds and hailstorms hit different parts of the state on Sunday. As per the situation report from the State Disaster Management Authority, a total of 4,192 people across the state have been impacted. Tragically, one miner lost their life in Mairang, Eastern West Khasi Hills, and 25 others sustained injuries statewide. The report indicates that 98 villages have been affected, resulting in damage to 1,061 houses. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, speaking to press persons, informed that Chief Secretary D.P. Walang has chaired a review meeting of the situation and all deputy commissioners have been directed to undertake requisite measures.
About the storm last night?
Basically, all the deputy commissioners have already been asked to immediately take necessary steps, and as a policy measure, last year we had taken steps to decentralize the implementation of the relief process, and so now the deputy commissioners do not have to come to the state for any kind of clearance, and they can take steps independently, decentralized at their own level in terms of distribution of basic relief material as well as different housing support, for example CGI sheets to be distributed. Those freedom has been given and funds have been given to the deputy commissioners, and just this morning also the Chief Secretary has taken a review of the entire situation and I've been updated, and we've given them the next 24 hours to 48 hours in which we expect them to complete the entire relief process. So we are on the job, and we are ensuring, as I said, by ensuring the entire policy is decentralized now, that entire implementation decentralized, that now deputy commissioners can take steps in that.